Fixing up little things like this mirror is just loose in the housing. Kind of vibrates going down the road. The housing itself is strong, but then there is a slight crack. It's really hard to see, but there is a crack in the lens. So maybe you can see it there. So Brock makes replacement mirrors. And I got the left and the right just for the price. It's easier to replace both. These are the power mirrors. Just like it. So on the inside, you just pull this trim off. Just got one little clip. 3 10mm and a little power plug. This one's coming off the mirror. It's going to take 2 hands on that one. Alright, I just had to press this little retainer, but I had to hold the plug. Those aren't even tight. Wow, that's easy. Just has that little snap clip right there. Just kind of took 2 hands to pop it off the door. Always clean behind the surfaces. Okay, take the new mirror, that little clip. That actually holds it. That's all it takes.